how to find your page reach on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your page reach on Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook. Click on those three lines and go to your page. Once you are in your page, scroll over this list and you're gonna find Overview. Click on it, and here scroll down and you have Insights. Click on See All and scroll down and you're gonna find Discovery. In here you're gonna find Page Reach. On my page I have one at last 28 days. Instead of one, you're gonna find a number, and that number is your page reach. Easy and quick. So this is it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.